Welcome to your math channel. Here, you learn math by solving exercises in a practical and straightforward way. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and comment on what you want to see in the next videos. What will be the smallest value of n? Let's first substitute with -3. Raised to the fourth power -3/6. 3 minus 3 to the fourth power is -3 times -3 times -3 times -3. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 9, 27. 3 times 27, 81. The minus here, minus times minus is plus, plus times minus is minus, minus times minus is plus. So what do we have? Plus 81. So it became 81 minus 3 divided by 6, which is 78/6. 78 divided by 6. 7 divided by 6 is 1. 6 times 1, 6. From 7, 1 left, bring down the 8. 18 divided by 6, 3. 3 times 6, 18. From 18, 0 left. So, when n is -3, the answer is 13. Let's go to the next one now. Let's substitute with -1. -1 to the fourth, -3/6. Whenever a negative number in parentheses is raised to an even power, it becomes positive. So, 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 equals 1. -3/6 is equal to -2/6. Can we simplify here by 2? We can. So it's equal to -1/3. -1/3 is equal to, let's write it as a decimal number, 1 divided by 3. Can we divide it? No. So 0 point, I add a 0 here. 10 divided by 3, 3. So there's 1 left. -1/3 is equal to -0.3. Let's keep that number. Now let's substitute with the next one. Substitute with 0. 0 to the fourth -3/6. 0 will just be 0, so it's -3/6. Can we simplify it? Yes, by 3. Let's simplify here. It becomes -1/2. 1 divided by 2, can we divide it? No. 0 point, add a 0 here. 10 divided by 2 is 5, because 5 times 2 is 10. Nothing left. So, when it's 0, n will be equal to -0.5. Let's keep this result here. Let's go to the next one. When it's 1, 1 to the power of 4 -3/6 is equal to 1 -3/6, which equals -2/6. Simplifying, it becomes -1/3, which, as we did earlier, is also -0.3. And now let's substitute with 3. 3 to the power of 4 -3/6. 3 to the power of 4, as we saw, is 81 minus 3 over 6, which equals 78 over 6, which is 13. So when n is 3, the expression gives 13. Now, what is the smallest number for n? Let's put it here on the number line. All right, let's say 0 is here. When n is minus 3 or 3, it's 13. When n is minus 1 or 1, it's minus 0.3. And when n is 0, it's minus 0.5. Therefore, the smallest number for n is minus 0.5, which is when we substitute n with 0. So the answer here is 0. Subscribe to the channel, leave your like, and see you in the next video.